How to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Hearing section at the top and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, scroll down to the Visual section at the end. Then, tap on LED Flash for alerts. Over here, turn on the LED Flash for alerts feature. You can also turn on the Flash in Silent Mode feature below if you want. Following these steps, you can easily make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.